guys, it's Soumya and welcome to my channel Colors of Life with Soumya. I will be sharing art and craft related activities with you through this channel. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for further notifications. So let's start with today's video. So आज हम flowers बनाएंगे with the help of cardboard box. So first of all, masking tape पे we will seal all the sides of the box. So this will make the box more sturdy. So next I will make a wall putty mixture by mixing proportionate amount of wall putty and water. Now with this mixture we will make a thin coating inside the box. तो अब हम सैंडिंग पेपर यूज करके सरफेस को स्मूथ कर लेंगे. तो एक बार सरफेस स्मूथ हो जाए, now it's time to apply gesso. So now I am going to paint the outside walls of the vase with blue color. Here I am using acrylic colors. So now to give some nice texture to the vase, I'll take a brick stencil and will apply some white texture paste on the surface with the help of a craft knife. I will try to provide link of all the items that I have used in the description box below. Guys, texture paste को dry होने में थोड़ा time लगता है. So once that is done, we will apply a layer of varnish. Finally, we will add some tint of golden wax to give the vase some shiny effect. And we are done. vase is ready. So please comment करके बताना whether you like the vase or not. Well, I must say that I really enjoyed making it. So till then, goodbye for today and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.